how I built 36 square meter carport on a budget. Started off, go Stillman in Krugersdorp next to Leratong, Kagiso next to Leratong, and we bought roofing sheets. So these are big grade sheets, means they are cheap. They failed to qualify to go to the market. And now they are selling weight, not the sheets. So we're buying them cheap. Back into the house, we measuring the thing, we putting the frame in. You can see everything. Man, everything should be going tops on a budget. Down there, those are second-hand steel. Where do we find them? Of course, man, go scrapyard. Again, we buying the weight, we're not buying the steel. So if we go to Stillman, they're going to be expensive. But because we go scrapyard, we get the weight, we get the steel. They're very strong. Just in a rust, they need some few touch-ups, which we do not mind to do. Okay, setting up the frame, it took us some time, but patience, you know what they say about it. That's my cousin up there doing what he does best, welding. Frame is coming together. We had somebody to jump in and help us, and he did amazing work. That is whole thing. I'm down there, you can see my fingers are just all over the place, go cameraing, and we continue. This took us about 5 hours because we were going slow, just taking our time. And this is where I realized that this is a big carport. My cousin told me, and I said, nah, it's not. But yeah, we made sure that it's connected to their house. What I only pay for is I can pay for at all. But we continue. My fingers are there. Children are running around. I'm telling them, do not run around. Hey, you know, when children are not yours, you cannot discipline that way, man. We continue regardless. Roofing sheets. This was quick, very quick. I was pushing in Mazenke to the steel. He was drilling them sticking them together. The guy was busy on the other side because Mazenke and Asapitli onto the thing, because Masenka gets 6 meters and we needed 7.5, and we're going to cut pieces. Checking the thing, analyzing. Paint is going on. What do you guys think so far? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. On a budget, this is how it looks like. And we're zooming in. Everything is complete, but at the back, it's not. The pieces by feeling late. But I feel late so I qetele akaZulu. So I griba mfethu. So I qeta onto akaSesotho. Right. What do you say in your language? Let us know in the comment section below. We're almost done now. There's a day to cutting things off. I think we did this on Saturday, Sunday. But patience. Now just 2 Mazenke left. I jumped in the last part to do it because I'm lightweight and my cousin didn't want to go there. And I'm like scared of it, but something must kill a man. So from the outside, we're zooming in, we're getting in, it all completed, as you can see from this angle. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, you are going to enjoy this one. See you on the next one. KG.